today?
Making keys
Making keys
for
for what?
our new house.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Hi guys, I'm back. So recently I have been moving house and I used to stay in a 3-room HDB flat. That means it's 2 bedroom with 1 living hall apartment in Singapore. Since my family has expanded to a family of 4 persons, we desperately needed a bigger space for a house for our children to run around. During this renovation process, I have vlogged down the whole makeover, including things that we buy, where we get them from, all the furniture, the interior designer that we engage, the color of the house, the layout of the house, as well as the interior design style that we chose. So I thought that it would be fun to put my vlogs into a video for you guys. Some of you might be wondering where to get the items from. So along the way, I will share with you some tips on the whole renovation process, as well as where to get your items from. Doing a makeover or renovation of your home is a very lengthy process and it is very tiring. This is not the first time that I renovate a house. In fact, this is my second home. So the first home was a 3-room flat, and right now we have bought a 5-room HDB flat. We have encountered a lot of hiccups during the renovation process. For example, you need to apply for renovation permit before the work can start, because we have sold our old house and we need to hand over our old house to the buyer in about 4 weeks time. So we only have a total of 4 weeks to do renovation as well as moving in. So our time was really very limited, but thank God that we engaged back our old designer, and he is really very fast and very prompt in all his service. I'm very grateful to have engaged him again for the second time, and he did a wonderful job, and he is really our savior, because every decision and changes that we make to our renovation, he managed to make changes like quite instantly. So this is what I like about him. So if you guys want to do renovation, it is very important to engage a very skillful and very experienced interior designer, because he is the middleman to all the contractors, and he will manage the contractors for you. For example, he will manage the painters, plumbers, and he will also manage the whole electrical component of the house. So my tip is to find a reliable and very professional, very experienced type of interior designer. He can manage all the contractors for you as well as design your house. So back to the duration of the renovation, we had only 4 weeks to renovate our place. The very first thing that screwed up was the renovation permit. So we did apply for renovation permit about 1 week before we get our keys. So we assumed that it is enough time to start renovating our house. The new house is really nice. It's a well renovated unit, but it is not a design style that we want. The old owner did a fantastic job and designed the whole house in an industrial style. So this is not the style that we are going for. So we have to tear down a lot of walls to make it more space to suit our lifestyle. For that reason, we need to start doing the hacking work almost immediately, since we only have 4 weeks time to work on our renovation. So I'm not sure what happened, but from my experience, once you apply renovation permit and submit it to HDB, the approval takes about a week. I'm not sure why. Mine took about almost 2 weeks to get the approval. So we panicked, and my tip for you, if you are going to do a lot of hacking work, it will take a lot of time for the HDB officer to approve your renovation permit. So my advice is 2 weeks before you're getting your keys, it is best for you to start applying for the renovation permit. The rest of the video, I'm going to show you some of the vlogs and the things that I bought. So this whole renovation journey, I'm going to make it into about 2 or 3 videos. So this is the part 1 video, and I hope that you will find this video helpful to you. If you are new to my channel, my name is May, and I do mom life videos, and I give tips on how you can make money staying at home. So without further ado, let's jump right into my renovation journey. This is our new house, and today is the day that we take the keys. Say hello.
Hello. Which one you like? My job.
the toilet bowl is actually one piece, so this is like seamless here. And the water efficiency is 3 and this is like rimless. These are the 2-piece type, and you can see there's a gap here, so you know dirt easily can trap over here. Yep, so it's learned something new today. And if you want a more nicer type of design, you can see that these are the flush type and these are the traditional type. And this one thing is it's soft closing. Bathtubs. So if you were to get a top mount kind of bathtub, so these are actually the ones that you need to build tiles, and these are the standalone ones. Standalone, that means you do not have any tiles at the side. So this you can see is much more cheaper. As compared to the standalone one. The standalone one is like, it's always over 1,000. When you're doing home renovation, you definitely need to come to IKEA. So I'm here to see some office chairs. Apparently their chairs are quite comfortable. Is it comfortable?
Yes. Even if it adjusts.
It does. Wow.